Good morning, students. Today we will start our fifth chapter, that is computer networking multimedia basics. What is computer network? Computer network is the practice of linking two or more computing devices with each other to share data. Okay, and from where the idea, how this idea come, that we have to communicate with each other, or we link computers, or we need internet, all these things. One day a bright spark suddenly thought, would not it be a good idea to link two machines together so that can share files? And so the first computer network was created. Okay, so for what is network? Computer network, it consists of two or more than two computing devices. It may be computer, servers, peripheral devices. Peripheral devices are those which is input and output, okay, that are linked together in order to communicate, exchange documents, file and share resources. Okay, next, now we will discuss the types of computer. How many types of computer are there? There are three types of computer. First is LAN, MAN and WAN. Okay, LAN is local area network. Local area network means a local area network is a group of computers that are linked together within the same organization or building. Okay, it is a small, or we can say it is a localized area network. We can take example of office building or any factory or any university. Okay, next is MAN, metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network covers a large geographical area than LAN. It is little bit large as compared to LAN. It's spread over the city. We can take examples of cable TV network that are spread over the city. Okay, in MAN, the data transfer speed is high in this type of networks, and you can think of a MAN as an office or organization having its various branches. If we are taking example of an office, suppose there is a company or organization which have main branch in Noida and other branches in Delhi, Bangalore, etc. Okay, so when we communicate or when we join or link these three cities, that is MAN. Okay, next is WAN, wide area network. Wide area network connects various LAN over a larger geographical area, cities, states and countries. Okay, so WAN is the largest network in the world, that is wide area network. Next topic is internet. What is internet? It is a computer based worldwide information network. We can say that internet is a metaphor of WAN. Okay, it is a wide area network. So internet grew tremendously during the later half of 1990s. Each year during that time period, more people used the internet to access ever increasing amount of information. One survey found that there were 61 million internet users worldwide at the end of 1996. So this is the calculation, or this is the data or graph of internet, that earlier what is the use of internet and nowadays what is the use of internet. Okay, so internet is spreaded, or internet is expanded day by day widely. Okay, use of internet, whatever we are doing now, you are watching video and I am delivering lecture, that is a part of internet. Okay, so nowadays internet is very important and vital role played. Okay, so uses of internet are where we are using internet: in businesses, in education, companies, entertainment, or communication. Okay, so these are the uses of internet. Next is communication in networks, or we can say transmission media. Communication in networks means how we communicate or how we exchange or send data one place to another place, or what is the medium of sending or receiving data. Okay, there are two media of transmission, that is wired and wireless. Wired connection is what, with the help of cable we deliver or we receive or send our data, and wireless without cable means with the help of range. So What is wired connection? If the computers on a network are connected through cables, it is called wired connections, as I said. And the communication medium used in a wired connection can be followed type. These three types are considered as wired connection, that is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cables. These are the types of cable. For example, if we are using cable for your TV, that is twisted pair, and fiber optic, suppose we are sending, or the we can take example of landline cable, that is coaxial cables. Okay, next is wireless connection. If the computers on a network are connected by transmitting electronic magnetic signals through free space, it is called wireless connection. Wireless connection consists examples of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, satellites, microwave, radio wave. You can take example of your towers, the mobile towers. It is also example of wireless connections. You are using your mobiles and using internet with the help of Wi-Fi, that is wireless connections. Okay, now some common protocols for wireless communication. Protocol means a set of rules that the connecting device follow to establish connection and then communicate over established connection. We communicate with wireless connection, that I have some protocols which are Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now what is Bluetooth? I think all the students know that what is the use of Bluetooth. We were using earlier for sharing data or for exchanging information or files. Same here, Bluetooth is a telecommunication industry specification that describe how mobile phone, computers and PDAs can be easily interconnected. When we interconnect two mobiles, then these two mobiles can share their data exchangely, okay, within a short range. Bluetooth is for short range. Next is Wi-Fi. What is Wi-Fi protocol? Wi-Fi is a protocol is the wireless fidelity which lets you connect to the internet without a direct from your PC to ISP. Okay, Bluetooth and ISP are the Bluetooth protocol, and Wi-Fi protocol is designates a specific frequency range within 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz, on which communication will take place on connected devices. This allows local networks. Wi-Fi protocol used in more than Bluetooth range. Okay, now Wi-Fi protocol additionally tests the quality of the signal between two devices. Wi-Fi also tests the quality of signals. If we want to share internet, or if we want to use internet of other computer or other devices, then it shows it design also the signals of the internet speed or facility, speed or frequency. Okay, next topic is cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. Nowadays, all we know that if we want to store our data or if we want to save our data, then without hesitation or without any disturbance, we can say fear, we can save our data in cloud. Okay, in your mobile cloud or computer's cloud, etc. So basically, not for only saving or storing data, it also provide facilities of using internet or other data. Okay, so basically cloud computing is used for accessing and storing data. There are broadly two types of clouds one can access. First is public cloud and private cloud. Public cloud is what? It refers to a common cloud services made available to multiple subscribers. Means it, as the name defines, public cloud means it is a common cloud service. All the services are common, or we can say all this. Nowadays every mobile have clouds, so we can save our data without fear or without any hesitation, or we can store our data in Google Drive. That is also example of public cloud. Okay, one main thing that in public cloud you share the same hardware, storage and network devices with other organizations that use the same cloud, called tenants. If the organization are sharing or uh, exchanging the hardware or any storage devices, that is tenants, that cloud will call tenants. Okay, examples of public cloud are Google Drive, Amazon Cloud Drive, iCloud, Microsoft Azure are the example of public cloud. Okay, next is private cloud. A private cloud consists of computing resources used and exclusively owned by one business organization. For private means personally, or we can say it is a private cloud is used in organizations, personally single organizations. Okay, we can take example, suppose there is a company of any Amazon is a company, okay, organization. So if all the data are stored of Amazon in their organization, that is private. Okay, in private cloud the services and infrastructure are always maintained on a private network. They have their separate network, they have their separate record, they have their separate internet facility. All things are separated as compared to public. In public all the data can share or exchange with other hardware devices or organization or persons, but in private we can't. Okay, so this is difference between private and public cloud. Your next topic is multimedia. Multimedia refers to combination of many types of media in one application, or in short form we can say it is a combination of text, graphics, audio, video, animations, images, etc. called multimedia. Okay, there are five major components of multimedia, that is text, whatever we are typed, graphics or images, audio, video and animation. Okay, next is social networking. Social networking, what is, today we are communicating or we are delivering lectures or you are surfing on internet with social sites. What is this? These are social networking. Social networking is the use of internet based social media programs to make connections with friends, families, classmates, customers and clients. That is social networking. Okay, next, there are various social networking sites. All you know very well that what are the sites or what are the social networking media sites which we are using. That is YouTube, WordPress, Blogger, Typepad, LiveJournal, second Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, Twitter. All these are social networking sites, okay, through which you are communicating or through which you are socially connected with your friends or family members. Chat sites, these are dedicated sites where registered user can log in the chat with other logged in users, either publicly or privately. It is also a communicating site through which you can communicate with your friends or families, either it is publicly or privately. Okay, so your chapter is completed in very explained in very small, or we can say shortly. So if you read this chapter carefully and if you are facing any kind of problem, then you can tell me. Okay, and after this we can discuss this again, these all the points, and still you have any problem you can tell to me. Okay, thank you.